Beautiful moving people, good morning. Welcome back to a new video. So today is the day where we start the journey, the way back, or at least the way to Germany to get this situation sorted out. If you're new here, you can check the videos before. We've had a bit of a trouble the past almost month, stuck in Spain with brake issues. So yeah, they are half repaired. Now we're gonna pick up the baby and basically start the journey back. See you at the garage. Friends of the way. It all turns out a bit differently in the super positive way. I cannot erase the smile in my face when I went there. Since I've been there, it's like, the sun is shining. Helix is back, and you know what this means? The trip goes on. Oh, super excited, and yeah, I think this is the best gift I've had since a long time, the feeling wise. Okay, this challenge has been done. Oh, the brakes are working better than ever. The guys, big up to Arensur Taller, like to the mechanics, Pedro and the crew. Amazing. They said yesterday, basically, if you've seen the video before, it's a day in between, and took off the front brakes, or checked the front brakes, and exactly remembered that because it's an old mobile, there is a possibility to kind of let's say adjust the braking power or something like that, or the pedal. I'm no mechanic anyways, blah 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 blah. Too excited, I cannot think. It's done, it's ready. So basically the idea is of the way is going as almost planned. A long patience practice challenge. It's been a month almost. And yeah, I guess at this point we go pick up our stuff from the hotel and get the out of here. Woo! Okay, friends of the way. Everything is good. It was anyways good. Life is good. Staying healthy. So let's pack this stuff up, get ready, and hit the road. Okay, we are ready. I'm so excited I cannot even think what I'm going to do today. Okay, all of this goes inside of this. Haha, we are back. Oh, you know how much I missed him. It's my home, back home. Okay, so I think we're going to be doing more of a basic setup now. Let's go and fill up a bit of water. Maybe put the cactus back there in the front, and then think about what we're gonna do. Here we are. There is like show you there are fontanas here along the road. So here, like basically outside, you have fontanas like this, and you can get your water. Amazing. Ayuntamiento de Chiclana, bomba. And here is another guy wanting to go. Hola. Hola. They're gonna get the water there, and yeah, that's it. For me, basically waiting a sec. We have a short break. Here are also, I don't know if you can see, but stork is living here. Oh, now I saw. It's a pair. They're pairing. It's not Bluetooth, huh? Kids. So nice. They are gone, by the way. Let's go put water. Water. Okay. You're all right. It's inside. Just leaving it very basically now, because I mean we need some aspirador. Look at the baby. It looks like so much dust over the past days, but hey, whatever. So basically idea now, I think we need to prep. So basically we'll do the video as a prep video and fix kind of the things with a bit of moving. So I think we go now some kilometers towards Sevilla, because that's the direction we want to be taking now. Be moving again, driving, and yeah, basically sorting out again these babies here in the front, having a look if we find an aspirador and make that. If we find the truck washer, maybe that would be also nice. And maybe shop something, like some food. Okay, enough talking. Let's go into a bit of a road sequence. The way, taking a break. Oh, got me knackered this traffic in Sevilla. And kind of a short update. Shorts and pantufles. No, not that. Got myself a cold orangeade and some snack. So yeah. Let's see if we manage to do all our, let's say, ideas for today. But for sure, I've been driving and I was like, you know what? Let's head off to Portugal directly, not wait again and go somewhere, I don't know, the past month or weeks. It's itching. I want to be on the road again. So, yeah. Have a sip of this. Oh, hola. And it will be, oh, they are good, this. Yeah, and it will not be hola, it will be bon dia soon. So let's go. Of the way, we are technically over the half of the river and in Portugal or Portugal. We are here. Okay, friends of the way, we are here. Yeah, I wasn't sure about the mouth and all this stuff, so basically we took the first exit out. Had a chat with the borders, also from Germany. Anyways, so what are we doing today? Where are we going? I think first of all, basics. Didn't find yet a spot for the night, but I thought, okay, I'll just drive to the next kind of bigger supermarket and get that done, which we need for sure because we have almost nothing. Not almost, we have nothing. 2 slices of cheese and a lemonade. So I think that's basically the most important thing, and then we see. So we're off to Tavira. Friends of the night, friends of the way. I think this episode will be ending here. So we managed to find the spot to like spend the night. It's like, yeah, let's say about 10-15 kilometers from the sea, and yeah, I don't know, I have to still come into the Portugal trip, because there was the situation that, or at least it's the thing that I have in my mind, that the wild camping was like forbidden. So I don't know, I need to, it's first the half day, blah blah blah. We are here, we managed. Helix brakes like a champion, and I'm super excited about that, because yeah, if you think about the past weeks, or it was a huge dive. So yeah, you can imagine. You saw me before, I was super excited, and I still am. I'm a bit müde, how do you say, tired, let's say like this. Anyways, long story short, we found a spot to park, and yeah, let's say like this. Peace out and love in. Catch you in the next video tomorrow, where we're gonna be kind of, yeah, figuring out what we're gonna do in the next days. Bye bye. Cheers.